Good afternoon, and welcome to the Affymetrix workshop here at PAG. My name is Stan Trask. I am the Senior Scientific Program Manager for Expression Products. I'm going to do a brief introduction of some of the expression products we've introduced over the last year, and then I'm going to introduce our esteemed speaker, Dr. Klaus Wimmers. Then my genotyping counterpart, Shantanu, will do the same. So without further fanfare, quite simply, our focus in AgBio is to provide agriculture researchers with ease of use, cutting-edge research tools, so up-to-date research tools. We are maintaining growth in our whole transcriptome formats, providing bundled reagent solutions to go with those arrays, expanding the format portfolios to give you convenient, very affordable solutions, free data analysis solutions for the arrays, and just overall provide microarray solutions to answer biology questions in expression, microRNA, and genotyping. One of the products we've introduced over the last year, the microRNA 4.0 array. Again, this is another product where we have much more information at our booth. Sorry about some of the formatting here. Okay, comprehensive content of 203 different organisms, 100% sensitivity at 10 attomole, 0.95 reproducibility. Sample input as low as 130 nanograms. On the expression side, we have expanded the arrays available. We now have new whole transcriptome arrays for Arabidopsis, ovine, bovine, porcine, many of the model organisms you find valuable. The new designs use our state-of-the-art, innovative WT design strategy, where we are actually assaying the entire transcript. In this way, you are actually getting exon-level data, high resolution, most if not all splice variants, as opposed to just an assay of the 3' end. Our newest addition to the catalog, Tomato WT design. This is something we released a few months ago, and due to the fact that we have high-density formats, a high-density array, we were also able to put numerous fungal pathogens that the tomato community finds valuable, including Fusarium oxysporum, Verticillium dahliae, and numerous viruses. In working with the community, we have also made a great number of AgBio arrays available, including arrays for Fusarium, Aspergillus, Brachypodium, Brassica, lettuce, many others. Our newest contributions to this catalog include switchgrass, a tobacco exon whole transcriptome array, and finally a wheat genome A array we made available just a few months ago. Again, all of them taking advantage of that whole transcriptome design strategy. More to come. There are numerous designs we're considering, and quite a few of these are going to see the light of day, including that lovely potato you see there. And that's how I feel about all of you. A salmon array to address aquaculture needs, sugarcane, and a more comprehensive whole transcriptome wheat design. Turning the page a little bit, this is the data analysis solution that we are making available to get you through bioinformatics bottlenecks, to bypass and alleviate some of the mapping issues you may encounter. First, we've updated our expression console software to give it better QC features, better PCA plots, and a link to our more analytical software, TAC. TAC, Transcriptome Analysis Console, is our newest software offering, and by far one of our most ambitious software offerings to date in the expression portfolio. Clickable tables, gene exon and alternative splicing analysis available. Supports all of our expression arrays. Custom, catalog, no matter how old, IVT, WT, doesn't matter. The updated expression console gives you these capabilities. Many of these are capabilities we had in the last version, but do notice that we have a cell image viewer, a PCA plot, which many of you will find valuable. It's a good way of determining how you're going to normalize your data and if you have any outliers in the data. TAC. The TAC software is new. This is not a new version, it's just a new software altogether. You are able to use this to do gene level analysis, exon level analysis. It's giving you fold change, differential expression, and full annotations to do so. The example I have here, and this is a very brief example for obvious reasons, but notice in blue the probe sets that I've circled. Okay, these are probe sets that have been upregulated, and okay, for my reasons of research, I find this group interesting. The nice thing about the software is you lasso that group of probe sets, and they light up in the accompanying table. And this goes both ways. So if you have genes of interest, pathways of interest, and you want to see how did they fare in the experiment, we go to the table. You would pick your pathway, your genes of interest, whatever the case may be, and let's see if they were upregulated or downregulated based on the scatter plot to the right. This is very usable. This is very nice software, and what many people find valuable is it's free. To wrap up, we provide a complete workflow solution for W2, and this should also say the IVT expression assay. We are making custom and catalog arrays that are very relevant to your research, very relevant to the current builds of the genomes. We supply the GeneShip WT and IVT Plus reagent kits. These are kits made by us, by Affymetrix. We can ensure their QC firsthand. What's more, we are currently running numerous programs where we bundle the reagents with the arrays to give you a much more affordable solution. Finally, analysis software in the form of expression console and TAC so that you have a seamless, say, sample to result experience. For more information, and I invite you strongly to give all the feedback and any requests for arrays that you find relevant. The Affymetrix booth out here, number 419. Visit our website, or simply email me, Trask, affymetrix.com.